Are you taking Praxis Elementary Mathematics Test 7003, Numbers and Operations? If so, then this is the video for you. Hi, my name is Tom, and I am a test prep expert here at study.com, and I'm going to walk you through some of the types of problems you may see on the test. So let's get started. Which of the following represents the number 5,482 in expanded form? When we use expanded form, we're using the place values. In our number here, 5 is in the thousands place. So what we do is we take the digit in the thousands place and we multiply it by 1,000. And we add to that the digit in the hundreds place, which is 4, and we multiply that by 100. And we continue the process. The 8 is in the tens place, so we multiply the 8 by 10. And then the 2 is in the ones place, so we add to that 2 times 1. So if we do this calculation here, we would have 5,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 2. So the correct answer would be the first choice. Which of the following strategies is correct for adding the fractions 3/4 and 2/5? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is eliminate some of the choices here for the answers. So I'm going to eliminate the second choice because it says multiply the numerators and denominators to get 6/20. Well, we're going to do that when we're multiplying. We don't want to, in the third choice, convert the fractions to decimals and add them to get 0.75 plus 0.4 equals 1.15. That would be if we were working with decimals, so we're going to eliminate that. And then the top choice is a common mistake that elementary school students make. They're going to add the numerators and the denominators separately to get 5/9. We don't want to do that. We always want to get a common denominator. So the common denominator between 4 and 5 would be the least common multiple, which would be 20. When we convert 3/4 into 20ths, we have to multiply the 4 by 5 to get 20. So we'd multiply the 3 by 5 to get 15, plus 2/5 converted to 20ths. We would multiply the 5 by 4 to get 20, and then we would multiply the numerator by 4 to give us 8. And then if we add the numerators together, we get 23, and the denominator is going to stay the same. So the correct answer is the last choice. Which of the following numbers is a prime number? Is it 27, 31, 45, or 50? Definition of a prime number is its only factors are 1 and itself. So if we look at 27, 27 is 3 times 9, so that means 27 is a composite number and not a prime number, all right? If we look at 45, any number that ends in 5 is divisible by 5, so we know that 45 is not a prime number because 9 times 5 is equal to 45. 50 ends in 0. Any number that ends in 0 is divisible by 10, so if we had 5 times 10, we would have 50. So the only number on here that would be a prime number would be the 31. So only factors are 1 and itself. In a classroom, there are 18 boys and 12 girls. What is the ratio of boys to the total number of students in the classroom? In this case here, we have 18 boys. So 18 boys is going to be the numerator in the ratio, and we want to compare that to the total number of students in the classroom. So what we want to do is we want to add the number of boys and girls. So 18 plus 12 is 30. So we have 30, and this is for total students. And then what we want to do is we want to reduce this down. So when we reduce this down, we can see that 6 will divide into both 18 and 30, so that means that we would get 3/5, which could be written 3/5 as a fraction. In ratio could be written 3:5, which would be our answer. That concludes our video, Praxis Elementary Education Mathematics Test 7003. Numbers and operations. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to visit study.com for more problems like this and access to personalized study plans. Thanks for watching.